Max is a little bit bigger, but honestly, if you weren't seeing them side by side, it doesn't look that huge. It's not a huge giant surfboard like the old iPhone Pluses were. So the big features to know about this one here, the regular iPhone XS, has a 5.8-inch screen, but the XS Max has a 6.5-inch screen. They are, of course, OLED. They're super retina displays, and they are, they feel great. They don't slip out of the hand. They look really good. The screens are really fast. They have a 120 hertz refresh rate, so everything can move around really fast. They have better sound, so there are louder, wider stereo speakers on the top and the bottom, so when you're watching a movie, they sound better. They also fully support HDR, so if we can go in here, see if we've got any videos here. You can look at a video. You can see, of course, it looks pretty good. It does, of course, have the notch because it supports Face ID. Face ID is improved on this device. It's a little bit faster. The secure enclave that supports Face ID is a little bit faster. Of course, I'm not compared to this thing, so I don't have that, but I can't show you that. But I can, of course, show you Animoji. That guy's not me. Look at that. Animoji, of course, works. So that exists, but the chip is an A12 Bionic, and that means it's fast, of course. And so if we were to open up one of these games, here's one of the games I demoed on stage called Blades. It's going to take a second to load, but once it comes, the graphics are, very smooth, and the lighting effects here are very impressive too. So we can kind of look around there. Turns out I know how to play this game. Oh, you just tap on the dude. Let's go kill this zombie. Kill the zombie. Hooray. Other internals worth noting, you can get up to 512 gigs of storage on this thing, which is just a ton of storage. It also has a dual SIM system. So there's a single SIM card here, but it also has an eSIM, which means that you can have two carriers active at once, which is not something that most other phones can do. You might know the Google Pixel 2 has an eSIM and a regular SIM, but it can't have both active at the same time, so that's really nice. And I guess the last thing to mention about internals,